We're here in Sheffield for Develop 3D Live 2019, where we've got all the amazing new digital 3D design and product development technology.
This is a place where everybody from all around Europe come, from different companies, different backgrounds, and it's really a conference allowing people to have meaningful discussions, share their thoughts and insights, and it's a place like no other.
And these events are really important because they bring together a lot of different people from quite a broad background, and you really get to understand what other people are doing in different sectors.
It's a great forum to network with other companies and to see what the future of the industry is bringing.
Looking forward to building some more relationships and learning more about some of the innovative work that's going on.
A lot of connections and communications that happen these days are digital, but face-to-face communication with people, hugely valuable. I think you build up relationships a lot quicker, find out what they're doing today, what they want to do in the future, finding out what their challenges are and how we can help them.
It's important, first of all, to understand what's in the market, what other people are doing.
I didn't realise there was going to be quite so many things to see and quite so many things to touch and to interact with. Trying to get as immersed as possible and to try out as many things as possible.
What I'll take away from today's event is really just a sense that the 3D community is growing and that there's a real future in it.
Always wanting to meet new people, have some interesting conversations and learn a bit more. Events like Develop 3D Live are really important because it brings together some of the best in the business and it's an intelligent discussion. I think a lot of exhibitions and conferences just scratch the surface around certain subjects, whereas D3D Live really tries to dive a bit deeper into it and really get the content out of it.
Develop 3D Live just seems like a little piece of the future. You're seeing things here that you're not really seeing anywhere else in life, or at least you're not seeing it to such a big scale. It's just all the things that I've been hearing about, I've been wanting to test out, and it's all right here. Let's keep growing and working with other people. Yeah.